Okay, you know what? I must make sure that this YouTuber doesn't get to my YouTube channel. So if he does, I must try to figure out if I can hide him or not. Hey, what's going on, guys? The Fiery Flame here. I'm trying to figure out how to hide this user from my channel, because this user has his own YouTube channel, and his YouTube channel is Guest666. As you guys may remember, I did a video on this YouTube user, and all this YouTuber has on his videos, the only videos this YouTuber has is these are all videos that he stole from other YouTubers. I mean, come on, dude, can't you post anything better than that? You're gonna get banned from YouTube, Guest666. But I kind of hope you do, so that you learn your lesson. So you know what? Now there's another YouTuber I want to show you guys. This YouTuber is 666. Now I found this YouTuber in one of my last videos, and that's the wrong one, as you guys may see. Let me try it again. Nope, still Guest666. So I need to find that other 666 YouTuber. Oh, here we are. This YouTuber is the worst YouTuber of all. When I first found this YouTuber, he was the worst. I heard about this YouTuber from a YouTube video, and this YouTuber is 666. This is the actual 666. This is what his YouTube channel is called. So I don't know if I should report him or not, but we'll see though. We'll see. So I must go to my YouTube account and make sure that he's not on there or anything. So that's what we're gonna do right now, is make sure that 666 YouTuber is not on my account. I mean on my YouTube channel. Let's see if he... Okay, so I only have 31 subscribers. Good, let's see. So I gotta check my comments to make sure that he's not on there. I hope 666 I ain't commenting on my videos, because if he is, then I must hide him. Alright, okay, alright. Okay, good. 666 ain't on my YouTube channel, because I don't trust him, because he might try doing something bad to my YouTube channel, like hacking it or something. But I don't think he's a hacker. So I must check my latest videos and make sure that he's not one of my viewers who checked him out. Okay, I don't think he's any of my... I have no views. Good. Okay, good. Okay, 666 hasn't checked out any of my videos. Good. Now we're gonna take another look at PewDiePie. In one of my last videos, the worst YouTubers video, I cover PewDiePie's channel, and I covered his channel and how much of a bad YouTuber he is. Look at all PewDiePie's videos. Look at these. All of his videos are the worst, dude. Come on, man. Why is PewDiePie the worst YouTuber? No one even likes him. So it makes sense, guys. It makes sense that nobody likes him, because look at all these bad videos he posted. I even unsubscribed him, and I'm not joining. So I join now. I'm not gonna join because he's the worst YouTuber ever. In one of my future videos, I'm wanting to cover the origin behind PewDiePie and what he wants. There's another YouTuber that's against PewDiePie that I don't like. But, well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this